University of Suffolk, Brightspace Tutorials. Creating and deleting folders and subfolders. Welcome to this tutorial. I'll show you the quickest way to add folders and subfolders within your content and also to delete them. You'll have your basic course structure set up in no time. So once you're within the module that you want to add folders to, navigate to the Content section by selecting Content from the navbar. If you look at the sidebar and scroll down, you'll see the Add a Folder input box. Type in the name of your folder, press Enter, and your folder is created. You can also do this by selecting Table of Contents from the sidebar. Scrolling to the bottom, typing your new folder name and pressing Enter. If you wish to create a subfolder, which is essentially a folder within a folder, choose the folder where this will be located from the sidebar. Again, at the bottom, you'll be able to enter your subfolder name and create the subfolder. If you want to move folders or subfolders, it's very easy. In the sidebar, just grab the waffle next to the folder and drag it to where it needs to go. Let's delete our subfolder. Choose Delete Folder. You have a choice between having everything in the subfolder deleted from Brightspace or leaving things like pictures remaining in the folder that contains the module's files. Let's choose to delete the subfolder and everything that it contains. You can then repeat that process to delete the folder. This time I'll keep files such as images. You can get to those once the folder is gone by finding the Manage Files tool from the Control Panel area. That covers creating folders and subfolders in Brightspace, as well as deleting them. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. For more information about Brightspace, visit our LibGuides pages on libguides.us.ac.uk/Brightspace. Here you'll find details about support or training, what to do if you have specific questions, as well as a range of tutorials and FAQs.